Hey guys, if you don't know about the thread, today you are going to see on Instagram that many of the persons are just keeping their threads syntax in their profile. What you mean by that and how you are going to get it. Let I inform you first of all that Instagram has developed this thread application in the parallel of tweet. What happened? You are using the Twitter account for the tweet purpose, but now the Instagram also give you the functionality to use the thread application to the Instagram text based conversation app. Thread is where the communities comes together to discuss everything from this topic you care about today to what will be trending tomorrow. Whatever it be are you interested in, you can follow and connect directly with your favorite creators and other who loves the same things. Let I introduce you that access your Instagram followers, your Instagram username and verification badge are reserved for you. Automatically follow the same account you follow on Instagram in a few taps and discover new account too. Share your points of view, spinning up a new threads to express what on your mind. This is your space to be yourself and you control how you can reply, connect with friends, and you can favorite creator jump to replies to get in on the action and react to commentary, humors and insight from the creators you know and love. Find your community and connect with the people who care about whatever it is you interested in. Control the conversation, customize your settings, and use control to manage who can see your content, reply to your threads, or mention you. Accounts you will be blocked will carry over the from Instagram, and you are enforcing the same community guidelines to help ensure everyone interacts safely and authentically. Find ideas and inspirations from TV recommendations. Never miss a moment. Stay to top of the best trending live streaming, open social networkings, and meta terms. There are a lot of the features which you are going to see in the thread application. It is powered by Instagram. So thanks for watching us. Use this thread application. Bye bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe this wonderful OJPRD YouTube channel.